Then go to extrude. Click on this. Then no 52. Take this 12. Oh, go to 12. Click on this. Now then go to sketch. Click on this plane. Okay, madam. Okay. Then zoom into. Then go to line. Take end point of this to end point of this. Okay. Then intersection of this or end point. Draw a line. Then end point of this. Draw a horizontal line. Then end point of this and draw a vertical line. Offset 32. Take offset 32. Select this line and offset it here. And go to circle. Take a radius of this as 32, so 64. Okay. Then go to zoom window. Go to line. End point of this. Draw a tangent to this. Okay. Then trim this. So then delete this line. Okay. Then trim corner between this and this. Between this and this. Then delete this line. Okay. Then go to fit. Then go to mirror. Click on this line and this line. Mirror with respect to this. Okay. Then delete this line. Okay. Then trim corner between this and this, between this and this. Okay. Now go to close sketch. Then go to extrude. Click on this. Take symmetric extent. Then take the distance as 20. Okay. 20. All round full. Next. Again, I will go to sketch. Click on this plane. Set it. Go to line. Line. Take end point and draw a horizontal line. Okay. Then line. End point of this and draw a vertical line. So from here there is an offset of 1.5. Go to offset. Take 1.5. Select this line and offset it here. Then zoom window. Then go to circle command. Draw a circle from intersection of this. Radius is 48. So 48 is the diameter. Right? Next you have a radius of 29. So take a radius of 29. From the same center you draw this. Okay. Then you have an offset of 3 mm. So zoom window. Select this offset. Take the distance as 3 mm. Select this vertical line and offset it here. Then go to line command. Draw a line from end point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, end point of this, draw a horizontal line. Now you delete all these things. Delete this line which is not required totally. Delete this vertical line. Okay. Then go to trim. Trim between these two. Then zoom window. Okay. Trim corner between this and this. Between this and this. Okay. Then set it. Then zoom window. Here. Trim corner between this and this. Yes. trim corner. Okay, then trim, set it, zoom window, delete this line, it is not required. Okay, then trim current between this and this, between this. Okay, so this is the cross section what I want. Select, then go to close sketch, then come down to extrude, click on this. Click on this, come down to edit profile, trim between these two. Okay, then go to close sketch, then go to extrude, click on this, accept, symmetric extend, take the distance as 33. 33 is given in the end. Okay, then go to rotate, then go to sketch, click on this, then go to line, take in point of this and draw a horizontal line and then one vertical line. Control Z, line, end of this, draw a now go to offset distance is 16.5, create that line here and create this line here, then offset distance is 30, select this line still here, then zoom window, go to circle command, draw a circle from the center point of this till here, then go to line, take the intersection point of this and tangent to this, line, intersection point of this and tangent. Okay, then go to trim between these two, here. Okay, then trim corner between this and this, between this and this and this, between this. Okay, then delete this line. Okay, then go to line, take one line, extra line here, then delete this vertical line which is not required, then trim corner, okay, then set it, go to mirror, click on this, mirror with respect to this, then go to select, delete this line, then close sketch, then go to cutout, click on this and click on this cutout. So now you got the outer curve. Okay, now I want to go for a hole, click on hole, click on this plane. Okay, then fit it, then go to hole circle, hole option, diameter of the hole is 48, enter, then zoom window, then go to hole circle, take the center point of this. Okay, then close sketch, then cut it. Now I want to create a thread. Again go to hole option, click on this, then fit it, go to hole option, it is M10, two holes of M10, D15. Okay, threaded, go to M10, take M10, okay, thread depth is 15, then hole depth I will take it as 18, it is not given, V bottom angle, click on OK, take the center point of this and take this center